Hey guys, it's time to talk about Sony. Sony just refused to die and they are gonna try to come up with a new flagship beast, and that could be a true Galaxy S11 rival. According to informations coming from few sources, this smartphone is coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 along with 12 gigs of RAM. This phone could be upcoming Xperia 3 smartphone surely with a chip of that glass Snapdragon 865 Sony that definitely have some amazing features. I think it's pretty obvious now that 2020 will be the year of smartphone camera game, and Sony is about to take things to the next level. So, according to news, Sony is working on a new custom flagship camera sensor for smartphone. This custom sensor will be a direct rival to the Galaxy S11 and Huawei P40 Pro. And most likely this sensor will be inside the Sony own flagship phone, the Xperia 3, and because Sony flagship is using Snapdragon 865 chip, so it's very likely that Sony will be bringing ultra megapixel game. Not longer ago, a report said that the Sony will be bringing a phone with not 4, not 5, but 6 cameras on the back. This was a concept made by other person, those who got information from the source. It's just similar to the S11, the boxy camera design, and this is how most of the phones are going to look like in 2020, especially the Samsung phone. One of the early reports regarding Sony said that they might bring a 5K display to the smartphone, which has never been done before. But if anyone can do it, then Sony can surely be that company. The 5K display will be very well supported by the Snapdragon 865. I hope Sony will bring an appropriate battery size as well to handle those high pixels. Yeah, these leaks confirm that a pure Samsung Galaxy S11 rival is on its way. Also, Sony has announced a 2x2 quad lens with an insane autofocus test. So even in the low light, the autofocus game will be improved massively. Along with the S11 rival, Sony is also working on a foldable phone that could also be a rival to Galaxy Fold 2nd generation and Mate. It is said to come out in 2020 and we do not have any further information on that. But yeah, Sony is not going anywhere, and I really hope that they will bring something really incredible in the market, because this is one brand that I do not want them to die. Also, Sony has some other exciting things happening as well, such as PS5. It's getting leaked massively as well. Next year, Sony could bring a new console as well as a new smartphone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and are you guys excited for this? And sorry for late upload on the channel. As you all know that I'm still busy in studies and can't find my time. But now hopefully I will be more consistent from now onwards. So see you guys in the next video, and till next time, peace out.